How you doing? I'm Callan and this is Slapped Ham. Today we're looking at some mysterious clips that have left the experts baffled. So hit that subscribe button and get ready for more creepy content, just like this. This first entry comes to us from a Reddit user named CMiller2006, who shared a chilling photo that's sure to give you goosebumps. But first, the uploader provides some much needed context by stating, "My 21-year-old son Michael passed away in August when he wrecked his truck. His best friend was at my house a couple of weeks ago and I was telling him how much I wanted to find a good signature of Michael's for a tattoo. The next morning, this text pops up on my car's dash." As you can see, the text that appears on the car's interior display was seemingly sent by Michael and simply reads, "Signed." But of course, this has everyone asking, how's this even possible considering he passed away many months ago? The uploader then clarifies that his phone's been disconnected and that they called it just to make sure the number hadn't been given to someone else. They confirmed it has not. They then stated that this is the second time something like this has happened. The first time was when the uploader was painting Michael's room, and the very next day they received a text saying, "My room." To this day, the uploader has no clue how this is even possible and they don't know what to make of it. They're not saying it's definitely paranormal, but they also have their suspicions. So what do you think it is? Is this proof of Michael sending his mum a message from beyond? Is it just a glitch happening on the phone, or something else at play here? Let us know your thoughts on this strange series of events in the comments section down below. Hey peeps, just a quick interlude to let you know today's episode is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. You can download it for free using the QR code there or using the link in the description box below. You've probably heard of Raid Shadow Legends, but have you actually given it a go? It's absolutely free, it's easy to pick up and play, and there's over 600 champions to collect, customize and send into battle. It's also available to download on mobile and PC. This month, Raid have just released a crazy new boss battle, the Hydra. This thing has multiple different heads and each one has its own unique mechanics. That means the battle is like an ever-changing tactical puzzle. Each head can throw different strategies at you, so you have to change your tactics on the fly. It's a challenging fight, but well worth it because you can get some of the best loot in the game. And as if a brand new boss wasn't enough new content, Raid is giving away a super limited edition champion to every player in the game. Some of you may already recognize him, it's esports legend and Navi superstar Simple. This free champion is available to both new and old players. All you have to do is log in for 7 days between now and January 28th. So what are you waiting for? Download the game, it's absolutely free. Use my special link in the description box below or just scan that QR code right there. If you're a new player, you'll get 1 free epic hero Aina. You'll also get 200,000 silver, 1 XP boost, 1 energy refill and an ancient shard. So you can get summoning as soon as you're in game. All your extra bonus goodies will be available in your inbox here for the next 30 days. This video, published to Reddit by user Camelina02, was filmed in what is presumably the uploader's bedroom. He starts off by showing a floor vent, but something seems a little off. Watch.
What the f?
At first, the vent looks completely empty, but then, just a split second later, something appears to be moving. Unfortunately, the clip is brief and the uploader hasn't given an update on what they think is in their vent. Some comments thought it might be a snake or a frog, but others aren't so sure. Some believe this is something a little more mysterious and possibly even dangerous, and that the uploader should be careful. This clip was posted over a year ago now, so without further information, this strange creature will have to remain unknown. Over on Reddit, a man named Eric K shared an eerie video that his Ring doorbell camera captured late one night. The video shows a typical night in the neighborhood. All is peaceful and quiet, and a man can be seen walking on the sidewalk. However, judging by what happens, this may not be an ordinary man. Watch.
I gotta assume that other kids are being
As you can see, he suddenly seems to disappear, causing many viewers and Eric to question what exactly has just happened. The uploader thinks that maybe this was nothing more than a camera glitch, which is possible, but then again, it doesn't look like there's any jump cuts or any malfunctions in the compression rate. He said upon seeing the footage, his wife has been freaked out and on edge ever since. By all accounts, it looks like this man suddenly vanished without a trace. A TikTok user named Beats by Richie posted a video to his account in early 2021 that seemed to capture something a little unsettling. The video quickly went viral, garnering more than 8.5 million views. Take a look at what's been stirring people up. While Richie lays down laughing and talking to his girlfriend, the face of a strange shadow-like figure pops in just for a second, right in front of Richie's face. Because of how strange this video is, and because there's not much context, viewers have been requesting that he upload the full video, and he finally has, although it fails to give any more details or any better context.
Damn, are you checking yourself out?
Come on.
Cock?
Most viewers were frustrated that the full video still paused right as the alleged face pops into frame, spurring many commenters to believe that the whole thing is just a hoax.
Come on.
Cock?
The uploader admits it might actually be his blanket that popped into frame, making a strange human head shape. So what's your take on this? Is it something genuinely mysterious, or just a bit of blanket popping into frame? Let us know down below.
Damn, are you checking yourself out?
Come on.
Cock?
A YouTuber named Illinois Hustler uploaded this mysterious video to their YouTube channel. It's some home surveillance footage that was recorded at 2:19 AM on the night of June 25th in 2018, in front of the uploader's home in Rantoul, Illinois. Take a look at what was captured. Although it can only be seen for just a brief moment, if you pause the video at just the right part, you can see what appears to be a strange creature flying right beside the light post outside the uploader's home. Because of the sheer size of whatever it is, most people are convinced this isn't just a bird, but rather something more unsettling. As to what exactly, that still remains to this day a mystery. The following piece of bizarre footage has unknown origins. It was captured during a game of football. The clip often floats around paranormal forums with people claiming it's real footage of a ghost. Take a look. As you can see, a dark, transparent figure slowly makes its way towards a player. As it gets closer and closer, it seems to vanish entirely. Sadly, because the video comes from relatively unknown origins, it's difficult to look deeper into the footage. Some viewers have suggested it might just be a combination of a trick of the light along with the poor quality of the image that creates the strange figure. Other analysts, however, have suggested this is a genuine shadow figure, one that has an unsettling attraction to that player. Even with the scant bits of information that we do have, the video is nevertheless eerie and is sure to make the hairs stand up on the back of your neck. A user on Reddit named Joe Ellis12 shared an unsettling video that has many people on the platform discussing just how it came to be. In the post, Joe states that on the night the footage was recorded, he was out driving to a local restaurant. All seemed to be going perfectly fine. That is until Joe looked out the rearview mirror and noticed something strange. Take a look.
Y miren, hay unas manitas ahí pintadas en una posición muy rara. No sé por qué están ahí, pero las noté ahorita que venía manejando.
A pair of infant handprints can be seen on the rearview window of the vehicle, causing Joe to be more than a little concerned as to how they got there. Joe mentions how, if you look at the handprints on the window carefully, it looks as though the palms of the prints were facing down, meaning that in order for it to be true, the individual responsible for putting these handprints there must have come from above, meaning that someone must have been on the roof of his vehicle at some point. As you can imagine, this video has garnered quite a lot of attention, with many viewers trying to come up with a logical explanation as to how these creepy handprints got there in the first place. One theory is that a passenger in the rear seat arched back and pressed their hands on the window upside down, giving the impression that they've been pressed by someone on the roof of the vehicle. Of course, some more paranormal suggestions were thrown around, one being the spirit of a small child must have made the prints. So, until further info comes to hand, this puzzling mystery will remain unanswered.
Hay unas manitas ahí pintadas en una posición muy rara. No sé por qué.
Before we take a look at some strange CCTV footage, be sure to tickle that subscribe button, then bang that notification bell there. That way you'll be in the loop every time we drop our scary and strange videos. This next clip, published to Instagram by a user named Motivational Auntie, shows something strange happening. The footage appears to have been filmed by a security camera located just in front of a parking lot at an unspecified building. Watch what happens. One of the motorcycles randomly begins to move around all by itself, slowly but surely making its way around the parking lot. It eventually falls over before the video abruptly ends. Some viewers thought it must have been some kind of paranormal entity trying to ride the motorcycle. However, some comments noted the jerky movements of the bike could mean the motor was malfunctioning, propelling the motorcycle along. So where do you sit on this? Ghost or a simple malfunction? Share your opinion in the comments section down below. Now, if you want to see some more mysterious clips, then check out that link on the top there. Otherwise, we have enormous curated paranormal playlists right there. Now, if you have your own scary photos or videos you want to submit, head to our Slapped Ham subreddit. There's a link in the description box below. And that's it for me. I'll see you all next time.